How you doing, everybody? This is the 2013 Suzuki C190 stock muffler, stock exhaust delete. Here are the stock pipes. They are. Doesn't sound too bad with it debaffled. That's originally what I did, but it's just not loud enough. Took the baffles out. So what I did here is you remove these clamps. You remove all your hardware. There's screws here. There ends up being like two. There's a plate when both are together. They create a plate that's right here. You got to remove two. One here, and then you remove the top one first. So this one, and then you remove everything. Give it a good wiggle. It'll slip right out of there. Then your bottom one, you gotta undo the clamp that's here. You gotta undo the clamp that's here. You take off the shielding, which are these guys. This one is right here. It's just a clamp. Right there, you gotta spread it apart. And then there's a tension clamp back there. Wiggle it off, and yeah, they come right off. These are the bottom ones. So undo this first, then the clamps, then wiggle it off. It's a little tricky. You got to get like a pry to pull down here to get it off this one first, then it comes off that. But this is what it sounds like. Straight pipe, no muffler. And let me tell you, that is a heck of a lot louder. That is 100% louder. You lose your, with no 3-inch back here, you know, these are 3 inches diameter. So, and these are 1.5s up here, coming straight out from the engine. So you're going to lose a little back pressure. You may want to mess around with air. I have a Spectre Thunder air kit that needs install, but I was thinking just a straight stainless, like 2s, you know, like right here on both, maybe stop like right around here, not chromed out or anything, but just straight stainless steel. But I kind of want to take it for a ride around the neighborhood just to see how freaking loud it is, but I don't want to piss anybody off. But yep, that's 2013 C190 stock exhaust delete. But keep posted for more updates. I'm eventually going to finish the exhaust and all that, but I'm a little broke right now. But yep, take care, guys.